Welcome world, we are going to try and do the quickest color pop in existence. So first off you want to start with a adjustment layer, hue, saturation. You're going to bring your saturation all the way down and then create another layer, create another layer on top of that. And create a clipping mask to the layer below. So from here you just want your black and white brush. Okay, no, sorry, you can just work straight up here. So as you can see, you can go straight back and forth. I want to go with a mirror image being the one that he cannot believe. So you basically just want to invert your image. You're going to restore all the color back in a different part of the image after you've turned the entire thing into black and white. When it is in its black and white state, it is also best to just look over there what you want to highlight or change. But he's such a cute little baby. This video is thanks to the Facebook group of the official Edit My Photo Please, finding tons of inspiration if you're looking for Photoshop projects to learn or just grow your knowledge on the database, the system. So another way of easing up on the process of doing this is using the magic wand. Capture the area which you know you're going to work with. And include the lasso tool into that. So you can hold Alt to remove from the selection and Shift to add. Okay, so we actually needed to add and not subtract. And then I'm just adding those finer points so that we don't need to expand on the selection. From here, we are pretty much in a good state. And we'll just increase our brush size. And restore this magnificent little one. Oh, and then eventually, okay, we'll reduce the arm. Get rid of the arm there. Okay, and the ear. Sometimes with a case like this, you do want to use a soft and reduced opacity eraser just to keep your edges nice so that you don't remove too much. And from there, we shouldn't have any more issues. It's a pretty good standard color pop, subtracting the reality from the mirror image. Again, you could even, no, let's just do it the nice way. Um, so I'm basically just erasing because I added too much value on these parts. We'll go to 90 or 70 because that will do the most impact, and then we can see if we go over the edges. Uh, okay, and this obviously is the bigger way of doing it. This isn't just one color we focused on in the image, we kind of inverted, making the mirror the colorful part and real life the black and white. So it is very, just to be different, because obviously when you're working in a group such as this, of the official one, you have lots of users, Photoshop users, who are playing daily with Photoshop, and you might get to an image a few hours after everyone's played with it already. So, you know, you can look at their images for inspiration. And I think that's pretty cool. It's simple. When you work on an adjustment layer, you've got the ability to undo, as we just did, instead of having to use a history brush. So if you were to Ctrl U on the original image, bring down your saturation, and then do it, you would be, oh, that actually looks flippin' cool. So we went back to the original image and we put up the saturation there, so that it looks stunning. Oh my word, I'm actually proud of this. This is a first. This is my first color pop, so I'll save that with the PSD. And there we go. Again, we've created a quick YouTube video, something to get on your own side. You can use any photos you ever feel like. You could focus on just one color, but here we focused on the whole image and inverting reality there for this child in the mirror. Thanks for watching YouTube. Let me know what you think, and please like and subscribe if you like this content. You can also suggest anything below if you have got any ideas on what you would like out of it or suggestions of what to do next. Thanks again. This is Photoshop CC 2019. I'll see you soon.